how you doing? Tonight, not today, well, still today, but tonight I've got some chicken wings from Spar and a bit of salad that I've got in the fridge. Caesar dressing, some cookies and some crisps. Cookies and crisps. So I'm not sure I'm going to eat all of them. So here we go. I had a couple of these before. So nice. The packaging was like proper hot and spicy. Me, not being a spice girl. What? Yeah. How y'all doing? Really nice though. I watched American Girl. Got a name now. And she makes me want to eat chicken wings. Oh, I forgot to bring the dressing up. Anyway, never mind. Oh God, I hate when chicken wings sort of stuff got massive bones in them. So, Home Alone, once again. Kids with the dad and his partner. And his partner. Sorry. Just me being a jealous bitch. Even though I'm over him. Sort of. Nearly. Still hard. I was moaning about it today. And got people like, oh, well, just forget it. Just forget it. Don't worry about it. Easier said than done. Don't give him the satisfaction and all that. I know. Right, anyway. Salad. So, like, little gem. Cheese. Tomatoes. And radish. Yeah. Radish. So nice. We've got sometimes Aldi, you know, they don't deliver, but the salad is still going strong. Get this now. Sunday. No, it's now Saturday. So good. So well done. I get slated, I know. I've been there myself. Cheese. So good. So nice. Look at that. Sorry. Mm. Mm. So, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. It's unreal. I'm surprised I'm doing this video actually. And I'm surprised I'm still up. Not moaning. Okay. Mm. Mm. I know some people are like, excuse me, tomatoes. Mm. I do. Yeah, so a bit bloody tired. I'm ready for a week off. I'm off next week. I'm off tomorrow. Random dog barking. After this, I'm going to crash out, right? But one of the cats are out. Always away. You go on. Enjoy. Got such a busy day tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow from work, but I'm away next week. Going to my sister. And I've got to make sure the house looks alright. My friend's coming around to sort the cats out. Don't look like a doss house. Because you know she'll come. I don't care who you say you are. You're still not rude, but maybe. You'll have a good look. I don't want to show myself up. So, got to do that. I pack my clothes. Make sure my children, they're not here tonight. They're out with their dad. Sorry, I said at the beginning. And literally when they come back tomorrow, not Sunday, Monday, just straight out the door. So, it's so nice. Can't see that. So nice. Oh, from it. Well done, Spa. So good. Nowhere near hot. Nowhere near spicy. But they hit the spot with me. So nice. So good. Pierce this last tomato. Swish it around. Oh my god. Excuse-moi. I might post some pictures on Instagram and YouTube. I'm going to places that I've never been. So, no doubt I will. This is so good. So nice. Must admit, I'm so tired. Wow. Thank you, Spa. So, I probably won't have the crisps. Cookies. These are from Tesco. Cheap and cheerful. Excuse me. Keep saying that. I feel now I'm not doing ASMR as such like I used to. So I might have to, excuse me, a bit again, change my channel name to maybe not. It's like a face. Look at that. Hi, how are you? I see faces in everything. Yeah, so maybe I should change my channel name. Not mukbang. These are eating. Certainly it's not ASMR anymore. Started off whispering. No. So good. I'm pissed off. Yeah. That's what faces to create. Right. No, not face. Well, maybe. No. No face. Ooh. Reefer. Like I said, so tired. I'm ready for a break. Even though I've been there 3 months, nearly 4. Early starts. It's a mad day. In the middle of it. I was saying to someone tonight, always going on about my job. Good thing though. Not moaning. I'm talking. So good. Last one. No face. No. Gone. Right. That's it. Steep time. Cheers. Them wings were so nice. Really nice. Anyway, I clear up after this. I know my boudoir, but I'm not going to leave these overnight. Take it downstairs. Can't be bothered. Anyway, good night, God bless. Thanks for joining me. And I will see you very soon. Night.